What's up everyone, I hope you're doing well, and today guys I got another one Rookies and Stars 2020 NFL Trading Cards hobby box. So we're gonna be looking again to autographs and to mem cards, as well as hobby exclusive inserts pressed for success, and as well 5 numbered parallels and 2 optic chrome inserts. So let's go. Let's go with our second box of this product. First one went actually very nice. Nothing very crazy, but wasn't bad at all. So we'll see what we're gonna get in this one. Let's go. Let's start ripping this. Alright, first pack. Let's see. And we start off with Kirk Cousins, David Johnson, Mike Evans. And there you go, first numbered card out of 99, Christian McCaffrey. And our next card is Zadarius Smith. And Daniel Hunter. And we have Justin Jefferson. We didn't get him last time in this parallel rookie rush, so very nice to get him right now. It's actually a very cool looking card. When you look at this, look at that. Very nice design. All right, rookie rush. And then we got Fletcher Cox. We got Kyle Duggar and Jerry Jeudy. There you go, Jerry Jeudy base card. It's cool. All right, let's go with the next pack. And let's see what we can find in this one. Here we go. Got Josh Allen. All right. There's something happening here, of course. Le'Veon Bell, and after this, we have, what is this, guys? HMDM. DK Metcalf. Oh man, is this... Alright, it's out of 25. Number 2, high octane. So that's a nice mem card. That is a nice mem card. And we have another numbered card in here. Marlon Mack. Out of 99. Okay. Next is Aaron Jones. Jake Fromm, rookie rush. Alright, and when we got Leighton Vander Eck. Rookies and start. Joe Burrow. There you go. There you go. It's a parallel, it's not base. Ticket Masters. Okay, we didn't get Joe Burrow in the last box. Unfortunately, just simple card, but still Joe Burrow. And when we have Quintez Cephus and Devin Duvernay. Alright, let's go with the next pack. So we still didn't get an auto. We have Joe Burrow, so that's a sign. Maybe it's his box. We'll see. Marquise Brown. Dalvin Cook. Alright, we got something here. It's blue. Oh. What is this? What is this? No, CTCA. Cam Akers. Yeah. It's definitely him. Oh, yes, it's not. It's not auto, thank God. So we got his mem card out of 199. I got a lot of his cards. All right, next up is rookie. Oh man, are you serious? Josh Oki, 1 out of 1. Josh Oki. Enlighten me, guys. Tell me he's gonna be good, please. Tell me if he's gonna be good in the future. There it is, Rookie Rush, Henry Ruggs. Last time we got his auto, that was epic. There it is. And then we got Chandler Jones, Dalvin Cook. Oh, what? What is this? Drew Lock. And our rookies, Gross Matos and Patrick Queen. 3 more packs and we still looking for 2 autos. But we got a 1 of 1. I don't know if they're gonna if they put in here something good. I don't know. We'll see though. Philip Rivers, Rob Gronkowski, Derek Carr, 49, Sam Darnold out of 49. And then we got DeMarcus Lawrence. And we got Josh Allen. I think next one after this, after Mayfield, is Optic Rome. Let's see what it is. DeAndre Hopkins. Optic Rome. And it's numbered out of 35. Number 27. Okay, this is nice card. Would you look at that? DeAndre Hopkins out of 35. All right. And we got Anthony McFarland Jr. and Justin Jefferson base. I didn't get that yet. All right, let's go. Let's go. Tyler Johnson in the back. Hey, this is good. Look at this. We're starting with Patrick Mahomes. And Russell Wilson. And Miles Sanders. Now, oh my God. Jordan Love. Jordan Love auto. Okay, I thought it's gonna be AJ Dillon. And it's out of 25. Okay, this is good. This is good. Dress for Success. That's exclusive. Right? Let me see on the back. Yep, hobby exclusive. Dress for Success insert with an auto. Alright, this is cool. Get in here, Jordan Love. Boom. And we got Patrick Mahomes insert. Is this? No, it's not numbered. Alright. Then we got McCaffrey and Kenny Golladay. And we got Jimmy Garoppolo, the Optic Rome. Not numbered. And 2 more cards. Joe Reed and Tyler Johnson. Alright, you guys, the last pack. There is an auto in there. Should we rub it a little bit? Give it a little bit of love. Maybe we can find something in there. Come on. Oh. We'll see if this is gonna be our signature. We'll see what we gotta get here now. All right, Mark Ingram, Daniel Hunter. Oh man, it's not gonna be the best auto. Champ Bailey, what? Not even a rookie. But dudes, Champ Bailey, statistical standouts, most interceptions in the NFL in 2006. And that's out of 15. There it is. Our second auto like that. And next one we got out of 10. Derek Carr. Number 4, his jersey. Okay, this is good. This is good. We hit jersey number. That is awesome. So let's just go through this. Saquon Barkley, Drew Brees, Cameron Jordan. Oh, Jordan Love. All right. Xavier McKinney and Jalen Hurts. So there it is, guys. This is what we got today. Quick recap. We got 101 Josh Oki. That was crazy. 101 pull, right? It's rare. We got lots of rookie rush. We got lots of base cards. Our autos was Jordan Love out of 25. Very nice dress for success card. And we got out of 15 another auto, Champ Bailey. And then we got DK Metcalf out of 25. And we got Derek Carr out of 10, his jersey number. So that was actually cool. I really enjoyed ripping this. I hope you enjoyed it too. And guys, I'm gonna wrap it up today and we will see you soon in the next video. Peace.